What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new episode of Twins Television. Before we kick off this episode, I just want to say you guys can support us by buying merchandise. Click on the shirts below, because that's what we need. All merchandise proceeds are reinvested into our YouTube channel. Because yeah, as you know, we want to do much bigger projects. Bring them in-house. We still want to do some things in the workshop. That's where you can support us. As you can expect from us in this episode, we're going to finish the back completely. I've already seen it. You keep mentioning the rear bumper's location, but it's over there, completely disassembled. The clutch has returned from the painter. We'll reassemble everything. Completely, guys. So we're going to the RDW soon. As you know, that's what we're working towards. But before we can install all of this, we're going to use our exhaust clamps that actually originally came off. I completely refurbished these, tapped new threads, put on a new bolt and a new nut. This will be great. The current clamps keep leaking no matter how tight, which is undesirable. Let's start quickly. Car up, wheels off, changing exhaust valves. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm super excited. Let's go. I put on a new outfit, got really dirty from lying under the car, and we replaced all the exhaust clamps. That's because all our exhaust clamps were leaking. These are our new clamps that we bought, but I already heard and felt that those exhaust clamps couldn't be tightened enough because they're also fastened with a small Allen screw. And of course, the original ones with the big 13 on them, those are rock solid, so I refurbished them. New threads, new nuts on them, and they're really, really tight. In addition, we connected the dynamo cooling, which is a hose like this. It attaches to the side of the dynamo to provide extra cooling from the side wind.
And yes, we're now going to continue by installing the pipes that go onto the air filter housing.
And then make a bend towards an air intake, so you always have cold airflow in your air filter housing, and these were completely burned in our case. We ordered a new one, and they look great, right? Black matching everything. And yeah, let's install these. Let's do this. On the other hand, we're missing two parts there, a window, which we have to fabricate ourselves, and the rear hatch spoiler, that will be in another episode. But first, we're going to install the wheel well. That goes in first, and after that, it's time for our freshly painted rear bumper with our Heyman diffuser, which of course has also been repainted, and we've chosen to install it now, because holes have been drilled in the lower part of the rear bumper. And you can just see them, and we're going to put our big Harman diffuser back on.
Yeah, that was nice, I have to admit honestly.
The side skirts were really ugly on the other hand. They are for sale though, with a bit of fire damage. Now we're going to the wheel room. Install it. Without the wheel well, mud gets everywhere. You don't want that. The car just needs to be complete. Let's do this. So we don't have to touch it again. As you have seen, the wheel wells have been installed. The text looks completely original again after the changes. Trunk lid seal installed. And we're going to test this now. So there's definitely a little spring in there. I had never felt anything like that before, how it worked. So that's for me. The first time, but now when I press it closed, it just clicks. It just stays in place. There. And then we have our self-made cable because we ordered that. Hey, yeah, so this cable is on its way. It will arrive at the end of November. It works. We know our tailgate works. We're going to continue with the rear bumper. We're going to install the interior parts first. And then we're going to do the trim strips. These things are made of metal. We're going to sandblast them first and then spray them matte black. To get a great result, let's begin. Will you assist? That's good. Let's do this. Let's go. This is just a reminder of how it used to look. This is a before, and the rest is coming up shortly. We have to take a moment to appreciate that the Gallardo is almost finished, guys. I can't believe it. The back is assembled. Everything we've touched, we don't have to touch again. Do you still have a grill left rear? We need that. Because that one is burned, unfortunately. Wait, no, it didn't even come with the car, as far as I can remember. Do you have this part? If so, please let us know via Instagram, twins.tv. And if you don't follow us there yet, you should definitely check it out, because there's content there that doesn't make it to YouTube. It's complete, guys. We painted the exhaust tips black to give it a cool all-black rear end. They were originally all chrome. Since we were already working with spray cans, we sanded them down completely. You saw it in the footage. Nicely painted black and heat-resistant, so it will never come off. It even looks like it has a powder coating when you see it like this. And we're really happy with how it turned out. In the next episode, we're taking the Lambo out on the street. Then with the green plates, so you're fully insured. I can't wait until we can take it for a proper test drive. It's definitely going to be a video you don't want to miss. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. I want to thank you all so much. Next Friday, a super cool episode, and we'll see you then. Ciao!